Do you want to learn how to best use a law of attraction journal to manifest your desires? In this video, I'll share with you a 3-step process to scripting your desires into life. I'm George Lizos, and I empower lightworkers with tools and guidance to find, follow, and fulfill their life purpose. If you're ready to follow yours, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'm also excited to announce that my new book, Lightworkers Gotta Work, is now available to order globally on Amazon. The book's biggest message is that the world won't change sitting in meditation pillows all day long. The world changes when lightworkers such as you and me light up, get clear on our life purpose, and take consistent action towards it. In the book, you'll learn powerful manifestation processes, techniques, and rituals to help you manifest your desires and purpose and create big positive change in the world. I'll pop the link for it in the description below so you can check it out. Wouldn't it be nice if you could manifest your desires simply by writing them down on a piece of paper? This is what using a law of attraction journal can help you achieve if you know how to use it correctly. Over the past 10 years that I've taught about manifestation through my online courses, private sessions, and my best-selling books, Be the Guru and Lightworkers Gotta Work, I've helped hundreds of people to script their lives into reality. In fact, it's only last week when I received an Instagram message from one of my clients with a photo of her journal entry telling me how her new home was identical to exactly what she had written down on paper a few months earlier. I'm excited to teach you how you can achieve similar results in this video. Although there are many guided law of attraction journals out there, the process I'll share with you involves using an empty journal that you choose to use for your manifestation work. If you're not a physical journal kind of person, then you can also open a new document on your computer or the Notes app on your phone and use that instead. One of the biggest mistakes people make with regards to using a law of attraction journal for manifestation is that they don't allow themselves to express their negative thoughts and emotions and pressurize themselves to be positive all the time. Yes, it's true that you get what you think and feel, and therefore the more positive you feel, the better experiences you're going to attract. But suppressing or denying your negative emotions when they show up can sabotage the manifestation process. The aim with manifestation processes shouldn't be about being positive 24/7, but about transmuting negative emotions to positive ones and then amplifying the positive. Using a law of attraction journal is perfect for doing so, and this is what the 3-step journaling process I'll teach you will help you achieve. The first step of the process involves picking a specific desire you want to manifest and journaling about all the limiting thoughts, beliefs, and reasons that you believe you can't have what you want. Doing so is not about being purposely negative, but about releasing and transmuting the negative beliefs that you already have about your chosen desire. Denying or suppressing these beliefs won't make them go away, and they'll end up interfering with the manifestation process. The only way to truly release them is by calling them out, and journaling about them helps you do that. After facing your limiting beliefs by getting them out of your head and into your journal, you then move to step number 2, which is all about gratitude. Gratitude is a transmuting emotion. It allows you to take something negative and change it into something positive. Start by being grateful for identifying the limiting thoughts and beliefs you've identified in the first step, and gradually move into being grateful for your current state of being in relation to your chosen desires. For example, if your desire has to do with manifesting a new house, then spend time being grateful for your existing house, detailing all the things you're appreciative of. Finally, having released your limiting beliefs by transmuting them through gratitude, you are now in an emotionally viable place to start scripting about your desired outcome. This is the time to express whatever you want to manifest on paper without holding back. Be as general or as specific as it feels good, and ensure you write in the present or the past tense. If you keep writing about your desires as something that's in the future, then they will remain there. When you write about your desires as if they're happening right now or as if they already happened in the past, then you communicate the energy of the manifested desires to the universe rather than the energy of the not yet manifested desires. After you do this exercise once, you can then repeat the third step on a daily basis to keep adding details to your desired outcome and amplifying its vibration. Okay, what do you think? Are you ready to start using a law of attraction journal to manifest your desires? Start the process right now by declaring in the comments below the number one desire you want to manifest. Stating it makes it real and kickstarts the manifestation process. If you want to learn more manifestation techniques and processes, be sure to grab a copy of my book, Lightworkers Gotta Work. The third part of the book is a collection of my go-to manifestation tools that you can use to leverage the emotional signature of your desires and bring them faster into your life. I'll pop the link of the book in the description below so you can check it out. I also have a free manifestation video series here on YouTube, sharing more processes and resources to mastering manifestation. You'll learn how to create a vision board, the steps to using the law of attraction effectively, and my top manifestation processes. I'll share the link for the playlist in the description below too. You can get even more guidance on manifestation and the law of attraction in my free Facebook group for Lightworkers, Your Spiritual Toolkit. It is full of trainings, prompts, and guidance from others and myself to guide you on your path. If you feel called to join us, I would love to see you there. Thank you so much for watching, Lightworker. I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you've learned something. And I hope you're a step closer to mastering the law of attraction and manifesting your desires and purpose. Please let me know in the comments below any questions you have about manifestation and law of attraction journals, and be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.